Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Just a couple hours ago in San Bruno, California, at the YouTube headquarters, there was an active shooter situation. We later learned that the active shooter was a female and that 4 people have been wounded. We have not at this point heard of any casualties except for the shooter herself. One report I read said that she had shot her boyfriend and then took her own life. That would lead us to believe that this was a domestic dispute. My first thought was she was angry with YouTube because she had her channel removed or something like that. That's the first thing I told my wife. But everybody is trying to find a motive. Like, why did she do this? Why did she go in YouTube headquarters and just open fire on a bunch of people? And at this point, nobody knows. And she is now deceased. As far as the reports that I have read, she is the only one that is deceased. The other 3 or 4 are hanging on for their lives. One's in critical condition, 2 are in stable condition, and 1 is in fair condition. I feel horrible about this. Many of us have used YouTube for years. We're watching this now through YouTube. It's been a platform that I personally have been a part of for over 7 years. I know a lot of people feel that way. We do enough complaining about YouTube with some of the decisions they make, but when something like this happens, it kind of puts it all into perspective and we realize what is really important here. The details are still sketchy. People are trying to figure out what's going on, why this happened, and so forth. I'm sure you'll be watching many more videos of people reporting this, but I just wanted to make a short video and let you guys know what's going on and what has been revealed so far, and we'll figure out more as time goes on. I appreciate you watching, and you guys be safe.